Hello, this video will demonstrate the short physical performance battery test and will explain the equipment you need to set up in your home for the test. Please watch the video before your physiotherapy video visit. You do not need to practice this test ahead of time. This test is a measure of physical function. It measures three things: standing balance, walking speed, and leg strength. To prepare, have a family member or friend present during the test to aim your phone or computer camera so we can see you during the test and to be there as a safety precaution. Place a firm chair of standard seat height, roughly 19 inches or 48 centimeters from the floor to the seat, firmly against a wall so it cannot slip backwards. The chair cannot have wheels, and do not use a rollator walker for this test. Measure a 5-meter or 118-inch distance on a straight path in your home. You're going to place one marker at the beginning, a second marker 1 meter or 39.5 inches from the end, and a third marker at the end. You want to make sure you're wearing running shoes or other supportive, well-fitted shoes. No slippers, flip-flops, or high heels. If you have a finger oxygen monitor, keep it close by. Use the oxygen flow rate and delivery device you usually use for activity. Now we're going to start the test, and the first test is the balance test. And this test has 3 different positions. You're going to stand near a wall or have your walker out in front. Have a second person stand close by. You can hold on to something or someone when you are getting into position, but once we start the timer, you cannot be holding on to anything. You can place your arms out for balance during the test if needed. If you feel you might fall, you can grab hold of something or move your feet, and then the test is finished. For each position, we will time you up to 10 seconds. So the first position is you are going to stand up and put your feet right together. And when ready, let go of the wall or handle. Good. So if you can do this test for 10 seconds, we'll go to the next test. Here you're going to stand with your toes of one foot aligned and touching the midpoint of the other foot. And when you're in position, let go and hold for 10 seconds or as long as able. Great. And if you've done this test for 10 seconds, we'll go to the last test. You're going to place the heel of the front foot in contact with the toes of the back foot. Your feet should be in a straight line and not angled out to the side like Aya is showing here. It does not matter which leg you put in front. And we can do this test twice if needed. Aya is going to just try the second test with her other leg in front to see if it feels better. Well done. The second test is the 4-meter walking test. You can use your walker if needed. You're going to start at the beginning mark. When we say go, walk at your normal pace to the finishing mark. We will ask your support person to say mark when your heel passes the second marker, that is 1 meter away from the finishing mark, indicated here as the yellow puck. Return, yes. So we'll go now. So ready, start.
Mark.
Great. So you're going to return back to the beginning, and we're going to repeat this test one more time. Remember, you're going to walk at your normal walking pace. Ready and start.
Mark.
Great. Now we're going to the last test, and this is the 5-time sit-to-stand test. If you're feeling breathless, and check your oxygen saturation if you have a monitor. So you're going to sit in a chair with your arms folded across your chest. Have your support person close by. You're going to stand up without using your arms for support once to see if you feel able. Great. So if you can do this, now sit back down, and when the physiotherapist says start, you're going to stand up fully and sit back down 5 times as fast as possible. You want to make sure your bottom comes in full contact with the seat each time, but your back does not need to touch the backrest, as Taya is showing here. So I'm going to count the repetitions out loud. So ready and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Sit back down and you can check your oxygen reading if you have a monitor. We've completed the test. It's important to let us know if you have any shortness of breath or any knee or joint discomfort with any of these tests. Thank you very much.